Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. ABCD is a rectangle. The radius of one full circle and quarter circle shown in figure is 14 centimeter. So this is 14 centimeter and this is also 14 centimeter. The area of shaded region, we have to find area of the shaded region. So we know area of shaded region equal to area of rectangle minus area of circle minus area of quarter circle. Now we know area of rectangle is length into breadth. Area of circle is pi r square and area of quarter circle is pi r square by 4. So this is length into breadth minus pi r square taken common 1 plus 1 by 4. So that is equal to length into breadth minus 5 by 4 pi r square. So length is 97 as given in the figure. Breadth is 60 minus 5 by 4 into, we have to take pi as 22. So 22 by 7. So 22 by 7 multiplied by r square. R is given as 14 centimeters. So 14 square. So this is going to be equal to, let's see, 0, 7 6 are 48, 42, sorry, 7 6 are 42, 9 6 are 54 plus 4 is 58, so 5820 minus, this 4 will cancel out 4 over here and this will have as 7 square. This 7 cancels out this 7, so we have 5 into 22 into 7, which is equal to 22 into 5 is 110, 110 into 7 is 770. So it will be, let's see, 0 minus 0 is 0 and this is in centimeter square, so this is going to be centimeter square. 0 minus 0 is 0, 12 minus 7 is 5, 7 minus 7 is 0 and we are left with 5050 centimeter square. So area of shaded region So this is the answer.